Hi everybody, wanted to unbox for you today a pair of tennis court shoes that I ordered through Shoebaka. I like to do these so that you can see what they look like once they arrive. So let's go ahead and take a look. These are a pair of Filas. And again, they're court shoes for tennis. Speedserve Energized. This is a size 7 in men's. And let's take a look. All right, so these are white. It's got the Fila logo raised. You've got the mesh underneath, and you can have that kind of rubbery plastic on top. Let me give you kind of a 360 view of what the shoe looks like. On this side, you have more of that mesh, and then the lace design underneath. Fila logo again here. And then this is what the sole of the shoe looks like. Here's the top view. Stylish. Let's take a look at the, let me take this out, let's look at the tongue and see what the inside of the shoe looks like. Here's a close-up of the tongue. Feels nice and firm. So as I mentioned, like to do these just to give you a view of what to expect upon arrival. And I will go ahead and put a link to these in the description. So if these are something that interests you, you'll know how to get a pair. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.